Good morning. I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. The Dow Jones surged above the 40,000 level for the first time ever in intraday trading before settling below the record level by the close. Optimism about the inflation and rates outlook continued to filter through the broader market. The 30-stock Dow ended the day down by 38 points or 0.18% after briefly reaching a new high of 40,051. The S&P 500 fell 0.21% and the Nasdaq Composite finished 0.26% lower. The Dow is now up 6% in 2024, while the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq are up 11% each for the year. In company-related news, Walmart led the Dow to a new record as the world's biggest retailer surged nearly 7% on strong fiscal first quarter results and strong guidance going forward. Walmart is now up 21% in 2024. Big tech, such as Amazon, Meta Platforms, and Nvidia, are all up sharply year to date. Amazon, which recently joined the Dow Jones Index, is now over 20% higher for the year. Other top Dow performers this year include American Express, up about 29% in the period, and Goldman Sachs, up 20%. In commodity-related news, US copper prices have reached a historic high premium over the global benchmark in London due to increased speculative activity and short covering by traders, with the most active three-month contract surging 11% to over $5 per pound, pushing the gap between US and London prices to over $1,000 per tonne. The prices of aluminium are expected to decline by at least 6% over the next 6 months, largely driven by rising supply coupled with poor manufacturing demand, according to an analyst from Trafigura Group. Turning to US sectors, all sectors except for consumer staples closed lower. Consumer staples closed up 1.48%, whilst the worst performer was consumer discretionary, closing lower by 0.75%. In local news, New Zealand PPI data for the first quarter will be released at 8:45 Australian Eastern Standard Time. The SPI futures are pointing to a 0.6% fall. Thank you for listening and have a great weekend.